Hello good people and welcome back to yet another video. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for choosing to click and watch the video. And if it's your first time coming across this channel, feel most welcomed. Don't forget to hit the subscription button and the notification bell so that you might get updates whenever I upload a new video. In today's video, we'll be making minced meat, so let's go directly into the video. In a cooking pot, we add our washed minced meat and we also add some salt and we cover it up so that it can cook for approximately 10 minutes. But if you like your minced meat to cook to be much softer, you can let it cook for a longer period of time. And if you'll notice, I didn't put any cooking oil because meat products already have their cooking fat, but if you like to put some oil, that's very fine. After 10 minutes, we'll check on our minced meat, and as you can see guys, it has a lot of water, so what I do is let it cook without the lid on so that water evaporates, and after it has evaporated, that's when I continue the rest of the cooking process. After our minced meat is well cooked, we go in with our onions. You may use whatever onions that you have, the red onions, yellow or white onions, and we mix them up, cover them with a lid and let it cook for a while, and then we'll add our garlic, the grated garlic. At this point, you can add a drop of water so that the minced meat doesn't stick to the cooking pot, because what garlic does to food is it makes food stick to the cooking pot and it will start smelling like it's getting burnt. After our onions and garlic are well cooked, we'll go in with our spices. I'll list them on the screen one by one, the spices that I specifically used for this meal. we'll give time for our spices to cook very well, because uncooked spices could be very, very bad for the stomach. After the spices are cooked, then we'll go in with our blended tomatoes, or in place of blended tomatoes, you could also add actually cooked tomatoes. I'm liking how the color is turning out. It's turning such a rich flavor. It's giving such a rich flavor color, which is so nice. And at this point, you can add hot water for soup, and then you can add some cornstarch, which thickens the soup. And our minced meat is ready. We served it together with spaghetti, and it came out so delicious. You can try this and tell me in the comment section how it will come out. Thank you so much for watching the video this far. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you in my next video. Bye.